As far as my bees, some of these hives are wrapped, as you can see. I don't usually wrap hives, but I'm getting to the point when I have a lot of my equipment is older now, boxes, and have holes in them, and they're weathered. And those are type of the hives that I put some kind of wrap. But if the boxes are pretty healthy and stuff, I don't wrap them. As far as feeding and food, I don't do emergency feed methods like putting sugar bricks, sugar camp methods for every hive. I think that creates extra problems for the bees and have them, they need to work harder to convert that type of food. If I have singles or hives that are weaker, I put a frame of honey on top of their heads with the shim. Or in emergency situations, or if they need some, I start putting bee patties late February. But just for example, if you have, I don't recommend opening the hives, but if you're, these hives are all full of honey, and I don't know how well camera can see, but you can see capped honey in all the frames. And these bees, I make sure in August that they have heavy honey domes on top of their heads and have plenty of food whenever the cluster move. So there's no need for me to put, sugar on top of their heads. So the best food for honeybees is honey. And of course, if you leave them enough, you don't remove, if you leave them enough food for the winter, they'll be fine till early spring.